Good morning. I'm so happy to be here today with Sachin Katti in Silicon Valley. He is Senior VP and General Manager, Networks and Edge at Intel. Sachin, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here.
How are you today?
Very good. Great to be here.
So what are the key messages you wanted to convey today?
Yeah, no, very excited to be at the event here today that Ericsson is hosting. Ericsson and Intel, as you know, have been long-standing partners and collaborators in driving 4G and now 5G. And of course, we will be working closely on 6G itself. Several messages. I think first and foremost, the transformation we are driving in the industry around open and cloud-based radio access networks, both in 5G. That's been a fantastic collaboration with Ericsson, where we have worked very closely in showing the world how you can deploy a cloud-based 5G solution on open programmable architectures. I think definitely continuing that theme about how do we get to this kind of disaggregated open architectures with Ericsson. Second, what are the benefits of this? So many of our customers are telling us they want to leverage this to drive more automation, to drive more efficiency in how they run their networks, whether it's for energy efficiency, whether it's for how they optimize their network, whether it's for how they troubleshoot their networks. So another key theme is going to be how Cloud9 helps operators drive that transformation. And finally, I think really excited about network APIs. This is something Ericsson is leading the charge on. Again, we want to enable Ericsson to be able to transform this industry, to open up the network for applications to program the network with APIs. Again, how a cloud-based architecture can allow telecom operators to deliver these APIs and drive new monetization streams beyond just selling connectivity for their networks. So several exciting themes, really excited to be part of the panel today.
It's great to hear your great insights about it. So what are your expectations from the broader ecosystem in terms of innovations?
I think the Intel and Ericsson really have to come together to enable the whole ecosystem to take advantage of this open architecture. So a very good example, taking from the previous comment, is around APIs. APIs are only going to be as useful as the kinds of applications that get built on top of it. So how do we enable the ecosystem? Here we are in the Silicon Valley, the birthplace of apps, quote unquote, right? So much innovation happening here, so many startups here. How do we build that ecosystem around these APIs to drive new applications that are not possible otherwise without these network APIs? So that's a key one. The second one is how do we enable our ecosystem to deliver these cloud-like architectures, the automation architectures at scale for telecom networks. Around the world, telecom networks are trying to modernize and leverage the modernization to become a lot more cloud-like in how they run their infrastructure. That's going to be an ecosystem game. And finally, of course, I'll be remiss if I don't mention AI. AI is going to be a critical component of future networks. Intel and Ericsson can't do it alone. We need innovation. We need partnership with the whole ecosystem to drive AI innovation across the entire stack. A key theme I'll be touching on today.
It is all about ecosystem. It is all about collaborations. Sachin, thank you so much for being with us today, and we hope to see you at Ericsson D15 Innovation Lab.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. It's great to be here.